Christmas is just around the corner, and let's be honest, it's an expensive time of year. If you're looking for some quick and realistic ways to earn extra cash before the holidays, this video is for you. I'll give you some good side hustles that you can start today, even if you have zero experience. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into the tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a very good place to declutter and make money fast. Start by going through your home, such as your clothes, electronics, furniture or toys that you no longer need. I recommend to take clear photos and write a simple and detailed description and price the items competitively to sell quickly. For example, if you have an old smartphone lying around, you can list it for $50 less than competitors and watch it go within a few hours. The key is speed, and you can offer discounts for same-day pickups to attract more buyers who are shopping for holiday deals. This side hustle requires no upfront costs, and you'd be surprised how many unused items you have lying around. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork.com. Are you good at writing, web development, graphic design, or even managing social media? Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork.com are gold mines for earning some extra money before Christmas. You can create a profile highlighting a specific skill set and keep your starting rate affordable to get clients quickly. For example, if you have basic Canva skills, you can offer to create festive social media posts for small businesses preparing for the holidays. Many business owners are simply too busy to create their own content and will happily outsource. I recommend to set aside 2 to 3 hours a day to deliver quality work, and you could easily earn $200+ before the month ends. The trick is to start with small projects and build momentum. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is print-on-demand Christmas merchandise. Print-on-demand platforms like Etsy, Redbubble or Printful allow you to design and sell custom Christmas products with no inventory needed. Think t-shirts, mugs or hoodies with funny Christmas sayings or cute graphics. For example, you could create a mug design that says Santa needs coffee too and list it for $15. Platforms print, ship and handle everything for you when a customer buys. You only need some creativity and some good marketing. I recommend to promote your listings on social media such as Instagram or to friends and family to drive traffic. If one design takes off, you could earn passive income throughout the holiday season. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to offer gift wrapping services. Gift wrapping is a simple skill people will pay for during the Christmas rush. Many shoppers hate wrapping presents and will gladly outsource it for a fee. You can advertise your service on Facebook or Nextdoor and price it per gift, like $5 for small presents and $10 for larger items. You can take it up a notch by offering customized wrapping paper or festive ribbons for an extra fee. For example, a parent buying 20 gifts might pay you $100 to save time and stress. With minimal supplies such as tape, scissors and wrapping paper, you can start immediately and make decent cash before Christmas Eve. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to offer virtual assistants. Businesses get busier during the holidays, which means they need virtual assistants for email management, scheduling or basic customer support. You can start by reaching out to local businesses or listing your services on websites like Fiverr and Upwork.com. For instance, a small e-commerce store might need help responding to customer inquiries or processing orders. If you're well organised and have good communication skills, this could easily earn you $15 to $25 an hour. You can start with short-term contracts and you can make hundreds in a matter of weeks while working from home. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to flip items from thrift stores. Flipping involves buying low-cost items from thrift stores or garage sales and selling them for a profit online. You can look for popular holiday items like vintage decorations, toys, or winter coats. They sell fast this time of year. For example, you can buy a gently used coat for $10 and list it on eBay for $40. The key is to price competitively and offer quick shipping. I recommend to dedicate a weekend to sourcing items and an evening to list them online. With smart flips, you can double or triple your investment before Christmas. Let's now move on to tip number 7, which is to create and sell festive printables. Printables like calendars, gift tags, holiday planners, or budget trackers are huge sellers during Christmas. You can use free tools like Canva to design them and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. For instance, a holiday budget planner that helps families save money can sell for $5 each. If you sell to 50 people, that's $250 in passive income. Make your designs attractive and offer value, and promote on Pinterest or social media such as Instagram to get traffic. It's beginner friendly and very scalable. These 7 side hustles are all easy to start and perfect for earning cash before Christmas, whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.